2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. As long as I'm looking like this, we're about to review a hair, okay? Super excited. But let me ask you guys, did you guys know that UNice have their wigs on SHEIN? I bet you didn't know that because I was like, what? Yes, they do. So, today's video and sponsor is by UNiceHair. Thank you for sponsoring this video. And now, marketplace selected by SHEIN, okay? Their wigs are on SHEIN. So let me tell you how convenient this is. You purchase your clothing, look for UNice, and get your wig. So I'm super excited to see the texture, the quality, because it's from SHEIN. However, let me tell you how SHEIN is luxury, okay? Because affordable, but you can find great pieces. However, we're talking about the hair, and UNice sent us this hair, and we're gonna go inside and see what's in the packaging, of course. And then there's a bag with the wig, and oh, I guess you can store your wig. So yes, that's all. This is the package. We are gonna go inside and see what's inside. All right, so we have some goodies. We have some nails. We have our edge band and wig cap. That's the first thing. Then we have some tape right here, just in case you want to use the tape. We have a lot, yes. And this is the wig, always secure. Bye Bye Knots 7x5 lace wig. I am not sure of the length. I'm trying to see where the length is. Nevertheless, it seems like it's like 24 inches. I know most of the times they send 24 inches. So the wig is secure, and I see like it's a breathable band underneath. Everything is pre-this, pre-that, pre-plucked, pre-lace, pre-cut. I love it. All right, this is how the wig look. That's the lace right there. You have these rigid ends. I like to cut those off, just preference. Sometimes if I'm in a rush, girl, I don't. So it's a center part. This is how it came, as a center part. It also have a adjustable band, which is perfect. And there is a comb at the back. Now, y'all know that's my favorite because this helped my wigs. I don't know if it's because how my head shape, but this completely snug my wig. I can put it in a ponytail and it doesn't show as a wig, okay? So this is how it looks. The hair feels like either 24, 26 inches, and it feels amazing. The texture is soft. And also, if you guys want to make your wig a little bit more snug, there's also a band on the wig that you can pull together. This is one side, the other one is there. So this is how the wig look. 7x5 lace, like I said. We are gonna go into installing. Before, I am definitely gonna cut off the rigid end, add some makeup, and then slide it on. Super easy. It's a water wave, I believe. So it's gonna be super easy. It's curly hair. You don't need much. You can leave it, or you can add some mousse, spray it down, brush it out, voila. Super easy. So let me do that and I'll be back, okay? All right, guys, let's go ahead and put on this wig cap.
My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away. My love, so don't give away. My love, so don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Alright guys, this is how the wig look out the pack. the package, we are gonna go in. As per usual, you guys know that I use a spray. So I'm gonna go in with my spray. I like to pin up the hair first. So we're just gonna get into it. I do this all the time. You guys should understand how it's done by now, because I do it all the time. So it's best to take the hair away from your face. It's just easier for you to manage. All right, this is how the lace look out the pap. Perfect. Now we are gonna use a spray and keep it intact, and then I'm going to use a fan. So let's just get this over with. All you have to do is spray it on. If you want to do it 1, 2, or even 3 times, depend on how long you want to keep the wig on, you can do that. I'm going to do it 2 or 3 times, okay? So I'm going to have the fan, so just keep on watching while we get this out the way.
A lot of model bitches check for me, nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when D-Lo had the spot in Treasure Tree. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her neck to me. I did a walk through that, sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms were fatigued. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've kept the whole house full. Then I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Got me with the dudes, 5 mama, keep my ass bro. Break yourself, you was raised on the dance.
Alright guys, the lace is on, and so far so good. This was super easy. When I tell you, so I'm gonna ensure that it have this natural look. I'm trying to just brush out some of the hair.
Yo, mama gon' have to make a GoFundMe. Y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab pedal. Gucci had to kill the whole world just to make Young Savage this motherfucking meat jack.
Yeah, good like a star. Up to the top of the car. You don't live by the law. You don't know what I deserve. Can't live without it. I keep a stick for the wall. Checks I deposit. Money just stick with the boys. Cash in and cash out. I am not looking for clout. I knew I would figure it out. I took the million and ran. Pop the pig on my head in the cloud. Tell my name to bring out the crowd. We got paid, now my family proud. I've been dripping and dripping and dripping and dripping and dripping.
Alright guys, we are done with this hair. Now I went ahead and I put the band around it just because I wanted it to stay like that. We can definitely take this off right now. And how simple. Like, we could leave the hair like this. If we wish, just the middle part, or we can style it another way. So this is the first look, and I feel like I could use the hot comb. When I tell you guys that this hair is super lightweight, it is not even funny. Now this is the first look. I'm gonna see how I can do it again. I want to show you guys the length of the hair. This is how it looks. It is perfect. I love it. I kind of fluff it out a little bit. I did add the mousse, but I wanted it to look fluffed out. So let's show you guys the hair, and then I'm going to show you guys another style. Are you guys ready? Yes, you are ready. Alright guys, let's try another hairstyle with this.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't
see myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my.
Listen, all I did was flip it over. Real simple. For a closure wig, it's given frontal. So this is the other style that you can make with the wig. I did it to the side. Now I'm gonna leave it like this. It's gonna be super cute. Yes, I like it. So this is how we're gonna wear it. And perfecto. Really simple, really easy, same wig. And it took me 5 minutes to do it like this. So you can do it too. Make sure you guys check the description. The wig is right there. And remember, we got it from SHEIN UniceHair store on SHEIN. Okay? So now UNice is on SHEIN. So check it out. Okay? One-stop shop. Alright, this is how it looks. Perfect. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you check the description because all the links will be there, okay? SHEIN, everything where you can find this perfect wig. So make sure you shop smart. The wig is super light and I love that, okay? It's giving fall vibe. It's giving vacation vibe. So make sure you check the link and purchase this wig. I'll see you guys in the next one. You ready for the spin?
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? What's that? Love, what is love? Would you believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just mad and fuck. We was living fast and fuck. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Or am I the soundless how this shit goes? Sarcasm, by the way.